Hey there. Is your Google Assistant giving you the cold shoulder when you ask it to turn off the TV? You're not alone. Many people face this issue with smart assistants. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix turn off the TV not working with Google Assistant so you can get back to enjoying your smart home setup without a hitch. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Before diving into the fixes, make sure your TV and any connected devices are compatible with Google Assistant. Devices that typically support voice commands are usually smart TVs or those with Chromecast built in. Verify that your hardware is on Google's list of supported devices. If not, you might need a compatible streaming device or a smart plug to bridge the gap. Step 2. Set up voice commands properly. If compatibility is confirmed, the next step is ensuring that your voice commands are set up correctly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone, navigate to the Devices tab, and ensure your TV or streaming device is listed. If you haven't linked your TV, follow the on-screen instructions to add it. Make sure it's assigned to a room in your home profile. This will help Google Assistant understand which device you are referring to when you issue a command. Step 3. Train Google Assistant to recognize your voice. Sometimes Google Assistant may not recognize your voice or the command because it's having an off day. Retrain your voice model by going to the Assistant settings in the Google Home app. Select the voice match option and follow the prompts to retrain your voice model. This ensures that Google Assistant can better understand and respond to your specific command. Step 4. Update device firmware and software. Keeping your devices updated is crucial. Check if there are any pending updates for your TV, streaming device, or the Google Home app. Firmware updates can fix bugs and improve compatibility. Navigate to settings on the respective device and look for software updates. In the Google Home app, check the Play Store or App Store for updates. Step 5. Reset devices for a fresh start. If Google Assistant still refuses to play nice, a reset might be necessary. Unplug your TV or streaming device. Wait a minute, plug it back in. Next, try resetting the Google Assistant connection by unlinking and relinking your devices in the Google Home app. Sometimes a fresh start can resolve connectivity or command recognition issues. Step 6. Consult Google support or community forums. When all else fails, don't hesitate to seek help from Google support or community forums. Often, users with the same problem have found solutions and are more than willing to share their tips. Visit the Google Nest community or the Google support page for additional guidance. And there you have it. These steps should help you fix turn off the TV not working with Google Assistant. From checking device compatibility and updating software to retraining your voice and resetting devices, these methods cover the most common issues. Remember, keeping technology running smoothly sometimes requires a little troubleshooting, but with patience, you'll have your smart assistant back in action in no time. Give these steps a try and enjoy the seamless convenience of voice-controlled TV again. Happy streaming.